body's not a park of amusement, honey, then I don't know what else to do with mine. And I've had my eye on you. I know that you've seen me too, but it's different for you. Like a small child watching the animals at the zoo. Sitting in the hotel garden, just knocking down a beer or two, trying to figure how I'd beg your pardon. Got a query about encountering you. Yeah, I've had my eye on you. I noticed that you've noticed me too, but it's different when I look at you. I feel like a terrier under the table, begging for food. Let me be your microwave meal when you're feeling lonely. Like a circus in a country town, I'm a laugh and good for one night only. Baby, I'm a tourist trap, I'm not your destination. Looks like you could use a short vacation. Nothing gets my engine running like the thought of getting closer to you. We could lay sparks on the asphalt, honey, if that's something that you'd be into. 'Cause I've had my eye on you. I've been watching you across the room. I'm not saying that I spy on you, no. I'm just thinking how it goes.